Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss incident type in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. So, incident types refer to predefined categories or classifications of service requests or issues that a customer may face. These types help field service team understand and manage different service scenarios efficiently. They are used to categorize work orders, making it easier to track, assign and resolve issues. Right now this is the service area. So first change area from here. Now click on the settings from here. So under the work order, click on incident type from here. So this is the active incident type list of view. And if you want to create new incident type, so click on new button. So under the general tab, give the name of the new incident type, broken hitter. Now click on the details tab from here. So select the default work order type. Now I am selecting diagnosis and repair. So here we can pre-populate the same work order type, and when this incident type is entered as the primary incident type here. Now click on the estimate duration drop down and select 2 hours from here. So it is calculated as a sum of estimate on each service task is associated to the incident type, and copy incident item to agreement. So incident type can also be essential used on agreement as well as work order. So if it is changed to the yes, then product and service will be copied to this agreement. Now again click on drop down and change to no, and then click on the save button, and now click on the products tab from here. So now add product, and if we know what sort of parts or items are needed to fix and solve the issue. Now click on the new incident type product. So on the right hand side, quick create incident type product form is pop up, and give the name broken heater issue. Now here select the product, machine repair, and unit is box, and incident type is broken heater. Now select the quantity. So basically quantity, which is number of work order product that will be added to the work order when the incident is added. So here I am giving as quantity as 4. Now click on the save and close button, and now click on services tab. So here we will associate services to the incident type, where it will have list of all the services that are needed to be completed for this type of incident and the duration. So these services are generally you would be typically build a customer for. Now click on the new incident type service and give the name is heater repair. So select the service from here. Now select the service as machine repair, and unit is box, and incident type is broken heater. Now click on the duration drop down. So it is represent the service time or technician consumed and while performing a job. Now I am selecting as 2 hours. So the difference between the incident type, product and service. So that instead of quantity box here, so we enter duration. Now click on the save and close button, and then click on service task tab. Basically where the technician should perform for this type of incident and technician work from these service tasks. Now click on new incident type service task. So here give the name as heater check. Now click on task type, and then click on cleanup. So estimated duration is 45 minutes, and incident type is broken heater, and line order represent the sequence in which these service tasks should be performed while the technician carries out of the work. Now click on save and close button, and then click on characteristic tab. Basically you can add a list of specific skill that may be needed to perform by the field technician or engineer to be able to conduct this service. Now click on the new incident type characteristic. So here select the characteristic from the lookup. So I am using this. So this is used in the scheduling assistant, where you can filter available resource based on the skill and associate with the work order. Now click on the save and close button, and now click on save button from here. Now we will see how incident type associated with the work order. So first change area from here. Now click on service, and then click on work order from here. So this is the work order list of view. Now click on new button, Now create new work order. So select the service account from here. Now click on Cafe Duo and now select the work order type as maintenance request. Click on incident type. So select the incident type that I have created. So now click on broken heater. So when an incident type is applied to an work order, the work order will inherit the following from the incident type record that we created earlier. Now click on the save button and refresh it. Now click on product and service tab. So as you can see, it is showing all the products that were automatically brought into the work order by selecting an incident type. Now click on services from here. So it is showing all the services that were automatically brought into the work order. Now click on the task tab and it is showing all the tasks. Now click on the related tab drop down and select the characteristic from here. So it is showing the characteristic. So in this video we covered what are incident type and how to create new incident type in Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. Thanks for watching.